guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm super excited you are here today. Today is the first reveal for our December box. So this box contains 3 stamp sets, 2 6x6 paper pads, and 2 coordinating ephemera packets. So today we're sharing the first paper pad called Snow Critters and its coordinating ephemera. The release day will be December 1st. 9 a.m. Central Time. So set that alarm for December 1st, 9 a.m. Central, because you'll want to shop early. This collection is so darn cute. We have 2 different collections in the box, but the main theme is winter critters. So really super cute. Now this one, Snow Critters, I love the colors in here. So we have like pastel, and we've got blue, pink, this green, it's like an olive green, and it's really pretty. And the critters in here are just really adorable. So the first sheet here is white with like some pink snowflakes and little splatters. Our second page here, we've got some stripes with snowflakes in the background, and then this cute little bear in this mug with hot cocoa and marshmallows. We've got a nice print on blue with these trees. And then the same color blue and this nice pattern almost reminds me of a sweater. And then on the green we have these really cute little bears, and there's a fox in hats and sweaters. And then we've got the little snowflakes in the background. And then the same color with that snow pattern. And then we've got a nice pink background with some pretty poinsettias and this cute little bear in a very cute sweater. And then this little pattern here with the gloves. Super cute. And then we've got a stripe, blue and white stripe with snowflakes in the background with the cute little bears in the cups. Here's the blue color with the snowflake background. We've got that really cute little fox in its sweater with some poinsettias on the green background. Then we've got the snowflake background in the green. And here are the trees on a pink background. Then we've got the snow pattern on the pink. We've also got all the cute little critters here on a blue background. And then this pattern here on blue. And then we've got the green and white stripe with the little foxes in the cup peeking out. And then we've got the trees on the green, and then the sweater in pink. And all those cute little critters on the pink background, and then this beautiful one on the blue. And then your patterns start to repeat here. You get 2 of each design in this pattern paper. And then we've got the coordinating ephemera. So I'm going to put these out for you so you can see all the cute little pieces that you'll be getting. So we've got cute little bears in cups. There's a little lamp post with a little there's a little bunny at the bottom, like a stuffed animal and a little present. Just a little wreath with a little bear in a stocking. We have a reindeer pulling a sleigh. This is really pretty. This little cluster. There's little pine cones in the background and a very cute little bird. Another little cluster with a cute bird. You get 2 of those. Here's another lamp post. Here's a cute little cup with 2 birds looking at each other. Here's another one of that. Cute little fox in a stocking. How cute is that? Here's another one of the reindeer pulling the sleigh. We've got a little wreath that says "Hello Winter." Here's another bear in the cup. A pretty little wreath with a reindeer inside. Cute little bear peeking out. So I think that was already shown. No, that was on the paper pad, I believe. And look at these guys. Aren't they adorable? That little fox in his little hat there. There's the little bird with the presents. Here's a pretty snow globe scene with a little bear and a little rabbit. Here's another Hello Winter and another one of those cute cups with the bears in it. And then this adorable stocking with the bear. I think these images are super adorable. I'm going to take my trimmer and trim the side of my image off. So make sure it's straight and then trim the edge off. And you'll see why I did that. I have all my pieces cut out, so it's an A2 size card. This panel here measures 4.5 by 5.5, and it's going to cover the front. We're going to add this to the top, add this to the bottom. Now to get this, it's just a die that's an edge die. You can use a hill die if you don't have anything decorative. And then my image is going to go right here. But I'm going to pop that up, and then we'll stamp a sentiment out right here in this space. Now I was thinking about some other images that would go really nicely as well with this card. So this is a really cute image. It'll look really cute right there. This one, really cute. So the images in this pack are on the bigger side, so they kind of can carry the card by themselves. So I'm going to add some foam tape to the back of this piece. Let's add glue to the back. Right now we are having some Black Friday deals in the shop, so you can use the coupon code BF25 for 25% off your entire order. It excludes subscription items and grab bags. So I might have some grab bags left in the shop. You can check that out. The discount won't work on the grab bags. It's already a big, huge discount. Please be aware it's not new items, it's older items. So if you might get something that you already had purchased. So just be aware of that when purchasing the grab bags. You can always gift it away or use them for giveaways and stuff like that. The gift code does not include subscription items, so anything that's in the subscription section will not apply. The Black Friday sale ends on Cyber Monday, so that ends on Monday. So the sale will go through Black Friday through Cyber Monday. Before I add my image, I'm going to want to stamp out my sentiment. So I'm going to use a stamp from one of the sets that I'll be revealing in the next 5 days. I'm going to stamp it out in VersaFine Clear. I'm going to stamp off first, since this is the first time I'm using the stamp. I want to primer it a little bit. and this says, feels like a snuggle weather kind of day. Now I can add my image to the corner here. Well, not the corner. I can add my image right here on the edge. Super, super cute. So we can dress up the card with something, maybe some glitter or some gemstones or maybe a bow. I've got these enamel dots I think will look perfect. This light green looks really pretty with this. So I'm just gonna pop some on. There, that looks really, really cute. I'm just gonna add some glitter to these little berries. If I can get any more glitter out. See if I could get any more glitter out of my stickles. Just add a little sparkle to the card. And here are two other cards that I created with the same collection. Isn't it cute? I just love these cute little critters. And here's a pink one. Pink and blue. Isn't that gorgeous? So that one I used a little ephemera that says, "Hello Winter" for my sentiment. So which one is your favorite? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Meet me back tomorrow for another peek at 1 p.m. Central Time. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I will catch you then.